Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the YCZ Neck Firming Cream. And as you can see, we have it here on Amazon, and they are rated 4.1 out of 5 stars with 428 ratings. So 9,000 plus people bought this past month, and as you can see, about this item, firm, lift, and tighten, our YCZ Neck Firming Cream is specially formulated to visibly firm and lift sagging skin on the neck. Neck and chest firming, achieve an even skin tone, say goodbye to necklines, and sustainable luxury packaging. So let's read some reviews down here. And as you can see, I love this product. Buy this, so worth it. This product is shipped early. Snatch up those loose areas, smells so good. This person said that it's a scam. Nice daily massage, maybe it didn't work for her. New applicator for improved absorption, and a lot more. So many people are saying that it works, that it's very good, and has 61% 5-star reviews. So the reviews on this are really great. So if you wanna try out ahead this product, by all means go. It seems to be very legit, and many people are saying that it is. So yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.